H1. C1. Careful, I am threatening to win your bishop. Are you sure? Rook E8 takes bishop E5.
Keeps taking my bishops.
You're out a lot of bishops. Oh.
Uh-oh, Chris.
Think
carefully. Come on. Can you beat the computer?
E2. That move is not legal.
Uh-oh.
I should be able to do that one.
Clear. E2. F1. Pawn C7. C6.
Oh, that was this one. Oh no, he's not.
Where's that one going?
That move is not legal.
What's going on? Are we setting it? So it will only reset its. So it will reset
Wait,
both
you
of them.
started over?
Yeah, I just want to see how it was.
Wait, you gave up? You were losing?
No, I just wanted to see. how
I
it's
find
set
that
up.
interesting that you
Yeah.
didn't finish. What's going on?
His king was in danger of losing to a...
Well, you're not supposed to start it over. Okay.